Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to take you guys to the part 2 of flower seeds available in Lowe. So let's get into the video and see what are all the zinnia seeds available in Lowe. I would definitely talk about zinnia, guys. So zinnia is one of the easiest growing plant for any beginner gardener. You should try it out in your garden. You just plant them and you forget them technically. So they just do amazingly. They come with hundreds of blooms, and the more you cut, you get more blooms. And you couldn't imagine how much the vase life for them. They stay in the vase more than 2 weeks or even 3 weeks, and pretty good for dry flowers. So you can just keep it in the vase for dry flower and then use the seeds for the next season. So once you invest, then you keep growing them. You have a lot of varieties to choose from. Look at this. Everything is pretty nice collection, and this is something I think you should try if you are not done that. Look at this. And there are many container variety also available, so you can choose from them as well. And then we have zinnias, giant double scarlet flame. If you're looking for fall garden area, this is one color will do amazing in your garden, and they are beginner friendly. You just plant them and forget, they will perform and do well with cutting and flower vase. Life is almost 2+ weeks. Wonderful flower for anybody who wants to have cut flower or who wants to enjoy the garden. And then we have herbs, lot of herbs that you can start growing them. You have basil, cinnamon basil. So this one is pretty beautiful addition to your garden, because you can see the blooms come in a contrast color with the leaf, and guys, it smells amazing in your garden, and the deer really hate them. So it's the one of the plant you should really try, mixing with other plants to maybe try a trick with the deer to deter them out. But I wouldn't say 100% they don't eat other plants. They know how to really exclude this in their mouth and then use the other plant, but you can give it a try. And this is another one, dark opal purple variety. Look at this, it's gorgeous for cut flower. You can just add these stalks to any of your flower vase arrangement. And then you have basil, various varieties, lime, sweet, and then catgrass, catnip, and chives, chamomile, I don't know how to say this, guys, catnip, and then cilantro. So the organic variety we have seen 2.9N, and this is like 50 or 80 cents less, 2.19. All the herbs you can see. And you have cilantros, and then you have dill, and you have lavender. See, lavender mustard is most popular variety, and then we have true lavender, lemon balm. I don't know what is this, marjoram, sweet, oregano, parsley, and then peppermint, rosemary. Yeah, pretty much it is, guys.